Hey guys, welcome to another great Karachi Quads rip. We're over at Khanpur Dam today doing some reconnaissance for our KFC shoot. Oh yeah, we were planning to shoot some jet skis. Oh yeah, here's a fantastic jet ski for you. This gentleman is one of our brand new subscribers. We said hello to him after we did this. This was after we'd already sorted out all issues. We knew that the waterproofing on the drone was working fine. You see that drop of water on the lens, no fear going in behind that jet ski. That's how we roll, you guys, getting it done. FPV to the max, pushing limits, getting to the boundary and just that little bit over. Look at that gorgeous shot just coming in underneath the water behind the jet ski. And you got to do the gap twice. It doesn't count unless you do it twice. Going up there, getting a little flip roll to get some get some of the water off my camera lens, and then come back in for another great establishing shot. Feeling it out right now, getting all of the sort of different moves, camera moves lined up, so I know what I can do with the talent the next day. Oh, this is nice. You know, you got to get low and fast. Doesn't matter if it's water, doesn't matter if it's grass, doesn't matter if it's concrete. You got to get low and fast. Keep that subject right in the center. Get that pivot action going. Mind you, this is unrehearsed and not in my control. Imagine where I kept the jet ski when the jet skier was doing exactly what I told him to do. You gotta check that out. It'll be linked at the end of this video, and probably in one of the related videos right now, the actual shoot from Khanpur Dam. We got a wonderful behind the scenes video. Here we're gonna shower out the quad again. I'm practicing some flirting the line moves there, flirting that line of action of the jet ski. Boom, going right through the spray, getting it done. Stable, stock, set in place. Look at that. We got rid of that drop of water in the shoot. That was one of the things we learned in reconnaissance, because that's how we roll. We get the job done with camera rehearsal. We make sure that when we're shooting and when the camera is speeding, everything goes right. And that's how you do it, you guys, by practicing beforehand. That is what we always tell people who come up to us in the field and tell us, hey, you guys are so good at flying those things. It's nothing special, it's just practice. Now look at this. I'm going to pop on up to take a nice look at what does the dam look like from on top. The sun's definitely a little blown out here. Our exposure settings weren't precisely correct. Again, this is just the reconnaissance. We're just checking it out, feeling it out. And I got that wonderful top-down view. Gonna roll the other way. Woo, swooping all the way back down to that sandbank over there, and I'm gonna come back home. And the voiceover is the same way this flight was recorded. It's a raw, one take, one cut. You gotta love it when your take one is good enough to make the film. There you go, your boy Abdul from Karachi Quads in his trademark red shirt, coming on back, happy that the quad is landed. And yeah, had a great time flying over here. Hope you guys had fun watching the video. Click one of these two magnificent videos that you can watch out next. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.